Good morning, students. Today we discuss here birth control and contraceptive devices. So, birth control, you already understand that its name, control of the birth, and contraceptive devices means some devices or those devices which control the unwanted pregnancy. This is called the contraceptive devices. Government also play important role to control the population. Okay, therefore he takes some action. One action on the amniosynthesis test. Okay, so what is amniosynthesis? You know that amnion membrane present around the embryo. We know in previous chapter I explained to you amnion membrane present around the embryo. So between the amnion membrane and fetus a fluid is filled. This fluid is called the amniotic fluid. This fluid is called the amnion fluid or amniotic fluid. By the help of the amniotic fluid, we can easily determine the sex determination. We can easily determine the sex, and also we can determine the diseases which develop in the person. So this test because today some persons want only girl or only boy, instead by this technique they easily identify the girls and boys in embryonic stage. Therefore this is the and many persons want only boys not girls. Therefore some person kill the baby in embryonic stage. Therefore government banned this technique. This is called the amniosynthesis. Okay, understand amniosynthesis? Amniosynthesis is a technique in which technique we can identify the we can determine the sex of the embryo during the pregnancy stage. So this test is totally banned in the India. Okay, next some slogans are presented by the Indian government, which is "हम दो हमारे दो." We easily see in the taxi and other places "हम दो हमारे दो." We two and two our. This type of slogan "हम दो हमारे दो." So this slogan promote the control the population and small families benefit plan. So this type of program started by the Indian government to control the population. And one major drug which is the Saheli. Saheli is the we can say Saheli is a birth control drug. This drug is discovered by the CDRI, Central Drug Research Institute, which is located in Lucknow. Very important question asked in the exam. Saheli drug is discovered by the which organization? To show its answer is CDRI, Central Drug Research Institute. Okay, now we discuss here the birth control and contraceptive devices. So birth control and contraceptive devices are two types: non-hormonal contraceptive devices or hormonal contraceptive devices. But today we discuss here only non-hormonal contraceptive devices. Okay, so non-hormonal contraceptive devices are mainly four types. Non-hormonal contraceptive devices are mainly four types: natural method, barrier method, or intrauterine contraceptive method, and sterilization method. So first discuss here natural method. Natural methods are also classified into two methods: periodic abstinence and withdraw method. So in periodic abstinence we discuss periodic abstinence means avoid sex between 10 to 17 days. Avoid sex between 10 to 70 days. If person avoids sex between 10 to 17 days, so unwanted pregnancy is not occur. Reason is here: ovulation is occur 14th day. Ovulation is occur 14th day, and lifespan of sperm is simply 24 hours. Life of sperm is 24 hours. And when this sperm enter into the vagina, then its life increase and about 48 hour. Okay, and lifespan of ova is 24 hour. So if sex between these days 10 to 17 days, the chances of pregnancy is 100%. So if the person avoids sex between 10 to 17 days, so unwanted pregnancy is not occur. Understand? Again, I repeat it. In menstrual cycle, 14th day, ovulation is occur. Ovulation is occur means production of ova. If this ova is meet to any sperm in that days 14, if sex on the 13th day, so sperm in vagina is sperm in a vagina leave 48 hours. So in that time sperm can fuse with the ova. Okay, that means pregnancy can be occur. So in this method 10 to 17 days means 10 is the minimum menstrual cycle time means 20 days, and 17 days means 34 is the maximum menstrual time. No, and average time of menstrual period is 28 days, but minimum time is 20 days and maximum time is 17 days. So avoid the sex between the 10 to 17 days. Okay, withdraw penis. Withdraw penis means before ejaculation of semen into the vagina, withdraw the penis. This is called the withdraw method. Okay, ejaculation of semen into the vagina. Okay, before ejaculation of semen into vagina, withdraw of the penis is called the withdraw method. Next is the barrier method, is a very famous method because there are three types of condoms present in the market: male condom, female condom, and diaphragm. Male condom is used by the male and female is used by the female, and diaphragm is used by the female. Male condom is mainly used by the men, but female condom, some persons don't know about the female condom, but female condom is also present in the market, but female condom is not used by the many persons because this female condom is costly and it is problem in inserting problem, and chances of the fuse, chances of the uh, fail. So that are reason for no success or less use of the female condom. Okay, diaphragm, one thing is more here: male and female condoms are not reused, but diaphragms are the cap-like structure, cap round shape structure, which can be used again and again by applying a spermicide. Okay. Next is the intrauterine contraceptive devices. Intrauterine contraceptive devices means those devices, intracontraceptive devices. Why we called it intrauterine contraceptive devices? Because they implant in the uterus of the female. Therefore, it is called the intrauterine contraceptive devices. In this intracontraceptive devices, there are the mainly three: copper T, copper 7, and multi-load 375. Copper T means here is a these devices is made up of copper wire. These devices is made up of copper wire, and these devices is fitted in the uterus of the female by the surgical method, and these devices release copper ions. These copper ions reduce the motility of the sperm. These copper ions reduce the motility of the sperm and protect from the unwanted pregnancy. Copper T means shape of this device is a T-shape structure. 7 means 7 shape structure. So these devices prevent the unwanted pregnancy. And next is the sterilization. Sterilization are two types: vasectomy and tubectomy. Vasectomy means cut and binding of the vas deferentia. Vas deferentia in male testis emerge one tube-like structure. So cut and bind of the vas deferentia in the male. Cut and bind the vas deferentia of the male is called the vasectomy, and tubectomy means cut and bind of the fallopian tube is called the tubectomy. Cut and bind the fallopian tube. Suppose this is a fallopian tube structure, so cut and bind of the fallopian tube is called the tubectomy. Okay, now today is non-hormonal contraceptive devices completed. Next day we explain to you hormonal contraceptive devices.